Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix div error 12502 in Call of Duty, regardless if you're using a console or your PC. So this will be a quick guide. Alright, so we shall come to solution number 1 and we shall use solution number 1. So first of all, you have to check for any corrupted files or missing or damaged files on your installation. So how to do that? Launch your Steam application. Okay, make sure you have your Steam application and then launch it, and then navigate down and then choose Call of Duty Mobile and then select properties. Once you select properties, come to step number 2 and then select installed files. Once you come to installed files, select verify integrity of game files and then scroll down over here and then choose battle.net and then go to the games. Okay, and then after that select Call of Duty. Okay, and then click on the gear icon in the options next to the play button. Okay, step number 4, scan and repair any options in the list. So this means you'll have to scan and repair any missing files or damaged files within the list that will be provided to you. So as you can see, that's the end of the solution number 1, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.